Good morning all. Welcome back to my channel The Campus Point. So in today's video I am going to explain a very simple fundamental program which is in C programming, that is factorial of a number in C programming. That is factorial of a number, factorial of a number using loop. So first let us try to know what do you mean by factorial of a numbers. So let me try to find 5 factorial. So 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, or otherwise we can write simply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to 5. If it is n, then we will continue up to less than equal to n starting from 1. If it is 10, we will start continue from 1 to 10. So number will be multiplied starting from 1 which is less than equal to n. So this is the very simple fundamental concept. So let us first try to write the program, then after that I will explain by taking an example. So let me write the program here, that is has include stdio.h, then has include conio.h. So these two are the header file. Then I am going to int section, int main. Okay. Then I am going to the declaration part. So what I need to declare? So first I need to declare a number whose factorial is to be calculated. Then I need to declare a loop variable. By using that you can make repetition. Then I need to use the factorial variable which is initialized to 1 initially. So next one, let me clear the screen. Okay. Now let me input the variable. So that is printf, enter the number, then scanf, that's very simple, %d, then ampersand n. Then what is the next task? We have already input the number here. The next task is to take the for loop. So already we know that in for loop it will start repetition from 1. So int I equals to 1. So I less than n. Suppose let our number is here n. So up to n it will repeat. Next one is I plus plus. And inside that what I need to know, that is fact equals to fact into I. Fact equal to fact into I. Now simply I need to print here the values. Printf factorial or fact factorial equals to %d, that is fact. Okay. Next one is your return 0. That is your return 0. That's all. So this is a very simple program. Just see I have declared 3 variable. N is the number which factorial value is to be found. I is the loop variable and fact equal to 1. That is the variable which basically store the factorial of the number, and initially it is initialized to 1. Now in the next step I have input the number here, enter a number, %d, ampersand n. The next one is the loop. So let us take a simple example so that we can understand. Let my n equal to here 3. Let n equal to 3. And initially we know that fact equal to 1. So now see, if n equal to 3, what will be the loop here? Loop will repeat. So first n I value is 1. I value is 1. Now I less than equal to n. Then n value is 3. N value is 3. So 1 less than equal to 3. True. Then fact equal to fact into I. So fact value is initially 1. This is into 1. So now that remains same 1. Okay. In next part again I plus plus. So let us take I value also here. So initially I value is here 1. Okay. Now I plus plus means I value is 2. I value is 2. Let us write the formula here again. Fact equal to fact into I. Fact into I. So now in fact value is 1. So this is 1 into I value is 2. Now fact value is what? 2. 2. Again I plus plus. So I value will increase to 3. So if I value is 3, again put the value here, that initially fact value is 2. So now this is again 2 into 3. So we will get here 6. Again I value is 4. But when you check it here, 4 less than equal to 3. Condition is false, loop will terminate. So finally we need to calculate or find the values which is stored in fact. Now you can see here 6. And as usual, if we will find the factorial of the number 3, then that is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3. That is 6. So if the same thing we will write in the output screen, what we will get, let us see. So in output screen, if it is asking for enter a number, so enter a number. If we will enter here 3, so what will be the output? Factorial equals to 6. So this is a simple program along with the output. Thank you.